Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Millie Made It. Today I'll be showing you how I make my delicious 2-ingredient apple pie cups. So if you'd like to know how to make it, just keep on watching. I'll start with my 9-inch store-bought pie crust, and I'm just going to slice off the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it resembles the shape of a square. And I like to save my pie crust scraps and use them as a dessert topper, so we're just putting them onto a baking sheet. And we're going to slice up our pie crust into 4 even squares. Grab our cupcake holder, spray it with some cooking spray, and we're just going to place one of the squares into the cupcake holder. Add any kind of filling of your choosing. I was using cherry filling for this one. I also did an apple pie filling, and I'm showing you how I made the shape. So you're going to put this into the oven for about 20 minutes on 350 degrees or until it looks something like this, and you can use a spoon to check the bottom. With our extra pie scraps, I'm just going to be placing them into a Ziploc bag. Now onto a fancy plate. I'm just going to add one of my apple pie cups. Now I'm just adding some caramel over the top and adding my favorite ice cream, which is butter pecan, some whipped cream, some cinnamon sugar, cinnamon toast crunch cereal to my butter pecan ice cream, and some of our pie crust scraps over the top. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you try this quick and simple 2-ingredient apple pie cups recipe.